A long solenoid has 1,000 turns. When a current of 4 amperes flow through it, the magnetic flux linked with each turn of the solenoid is 4 into 10 power of minus 3 Weber. The self-inductance of the solenoid is, the self-inductance we need to find here, that is L is equal to 5 divided by I, where 5 is equal to L into I. We need to find that one value also. So the given parameters are N is equal to 1000 turns, I is equal to 4 amperes, 5 is not is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3 WB. Then the total flux linked with the solenoid is calculated as the product of the number of turns into the initial flux. The initial flux is equal to 4 into 10 power of minus 3 and the number of turns is equal to 1000. Then that is 1000 into 4 into 10 power minus 3. So this one and this one will get cancelled and our answer is 4 WB. Then using the formula of 5 is equal to L into I, where the 5 is the total flux and I is the current, the self-inductance L of the solenoid is determined by L is equal to 5 divided by I. If I want to substitute the values here, 5 is equal to 4 WB divided by I is equal to 4 amperes, then our value is 1 H. So option D is the right answer.